Today, we're disassembling an ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro to fix a SIM card detection issue. This phone is known for its powerful gaming performance and unique cooling design. We'll replace the SIM reader board. Let's get started. First, power off the phone. Heat the back cover for around 10 minutes to soften the adhesive. After heating, use a thin metal blade to open a small gap. This side doesn't seem to work. Let's try the other side instead. Apply a few drops of alcohol into the gap to help loosen the glue. Once the gap is wide enough, insert a plastic pick. Keep adding alcohol and work slowly. The back cover is glass and can break easily. Slide around the edges gently. If you feel resistance, add more alcohol. Be patient. On this side, there's an LED flex cable. Don't insert too deep. Alright, we can now lift off the back cover. Use a plastic spudger to disconnect the cable and remove the cover completely. This phone has been opened before, so a few screws are missing. We'll remove a total of 10 screws. Note their different lengths. Take off the metal bracket that holds the connector down. Always disconnect the battery BTB first before any other components. Then remove the rest of the screws and lift off the small board shield. Here's the vibration motor. Take it out carefully. Don't forget to remove the SIM tray. It has a cool gradient finish. Disconnect the flex cables from the subboard one by one. This cable is for signal transmission. I just missed it. Now we can remove the subboard. Before installing the new board, make sure to push this small SIM pin back in place. Otherwise, the board won't sit properly and could cause connection issues. Here's the new SIM reader board. Align it carefully. Make sure no flex cables are trapped underneath. Reconnect all BTB connectors and signal lines. There are 8 in total. Now reinstall the small board bracket. Reconnect the battery BTB. Don't forget the pressure plate that secures it. Reinstall all screws back into their positions. Reconnect the back cover display cable. Now let's power on the phone to test it. Everything works perfectly. Time to close the back cover. Use a clamp to press the back cover firmly for about 2 hours. And don't forget the SIM tray. That's it. The ROG Phone 6 Pro SIM reader repair is complete. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.